Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.5, Problem 23. This is Section 3.5, Problem 23. It says use the correct order of operations to complete the problem. And we have 2.1 times in parentheses 1.6 minus 1.4. So, whenever you have any type of parentheses with any type of math, you need to do the work in parentheses first. So that's going to become 2.1 times, I can do this without writing it out, 1.6 minus 1.4 is just 0.2. Again, some people would write 0.2, but 0.2 is fine. So now I have to multiply. There's no operation symbol indicated, but it's assumed that it's multiplication. 2.1 times 0.2. So this we can write out. 2.1 times 0.2, or if you prefer 0.2, that's optional. So to start the multiplication going, just ignore the decimals, just multiply it, 21 times 2. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, I have 42. Now, the thing is, I have to have the same number of places after the decimal in my answer as I have in my question. So 2 places after the decimal in the question, I must have 2 places after the decimal in my answer. So 0.42. If you prefer, if you like the 0 in front, you can write it as 0.42. That's really the same thing. That can go either way.